Hi Flourish Family, and welcome back to a journey through the chakras. Make sure you check out my other videos where I take us on a journey through all 7 of the chakras or energy centers that influence our spiritual, physical, and emotional well-being. Today we are going to focus on the 6th chakra, Ajna, or the Third Eye Chakra, which is located right here between your eyebrows at your third eye. This chakra resonates with the frequency of 741 hertz and is associated with the note A. This chakra governs our intuition, our inner knowing. And you may know that you have imbalances or blockages or need healing in this chakra. If you find it really hard to tune in to your inner voice, to listen to your body, to trust your body and your instincts. Physically, headaches are often associated with an imbalance in this energy center. Close your eyes and allow this vibration to wash over you and through you. Sense how it feels in your body. Does it feel in harmony? And here you can say to yourself, self, and use your name, I trust you. When you speak to me through those gut feelings, or I feel it in my waters or in my bones, I listen, I hear, and I trust. I'm connected to my inner wisdom. And here, if you wish, you can hum along the mantra associated with Ajna, which is Aum. Bookmark this video and know that you can come back to it for just a few moments anytime your third eye chakra needs some balancing, harmonizing, or healing.